Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today we are going to crush live ammunition with our hydraulic press inside of our bulletproof bunker. We can do that safely because it's a bulletproof bunker. If you don't have bulletproof bunker, don't crush bullets. And this video is kind of leftovers from the video where we crushed guns with our friend Teemu. That's coming probably within next couple of weeks. But I wanted to throw this video first out because I wanted to have really cool video for our Kickstarter launch. It's finally here. Our metal dice are now out. You can buy them. There is link down in description. And I'm really pleased with the design. This is the most brutal dice ever. And we don't even have the tungsten one yet. We are going to definitely make it. It seems that you also want to see the tungsten dice. So that's going to happen if the project goes well. So go check it out. Link is in description. And even if you are not planning to buy dice, if for some reason you don't need metal dice, it still helps us and the project if you just click the link and go see the page. The more traffic we get, the better it's going to be. So go check it out. But now, bulletproof bunker and some bullets. Okay, and then the first ammunition. We're going to do 22 long rifle, and because they're so goddamn small, we have 5 of them. What do you think? Will they?
What's going to happen?
Will they go? I say that they go.
Yeah, they go off. Oh, that was pretty good.
I say that it's smaller than I thought. But luckily we have bigger calibers coming.
Yeah, but I thought it was less, you know. It was pretty good.
Yeah, but that's 5. I think it was quite loud inside of the bunker. Holy shit.
I love the smell. I love the smell.
It's like,
familiar.
it's very, very flat.
Fucking A.
Much flatter than the guns.
How flat? I would say it's less than 1 millimeter.
Yeah. Should we
It's
try,
like sharp.
Should we try 9 millimeter next?
Yeah, how many at the time?
I don't know. Maybe 3.
Maybe 3. That's a good. Because we are in Finland and rules and regulations, we are using non-toxic ammunitions for this purpose as well.
Is it
So
like
all-
brass bullet or what they use? Looks like brass or
Yeah.
something. Yeah.
And now they should all go at the same time. But now we really need like eyes and ears.
Yeah, there's lot
I
more
would
now.
say.
Lot more now. That wasn't much more at all. I would say
Yeah.
pretty much the same.
I was expecting more, but it was
Yeah.
pretty much the same than LR22.
Yeah. But they didn't go exactly at the same time. It's like
Was it?
was it? Yeah, yeah. There was like
I was too excited, so I didn't see that.
we can see it from here nicely, like how they go. 2. Okay, it was like 1 and then 2, I think.
Okay, so 1 gave out, didn't explode, and 2 of them exploded.
No, first it's like some gunpowder spilled out.
Yeah, from
Then
first.
then one went off and
Yeah.
then 2 went off. Yeah, it smells like indoor shooting range. The lead is really shiny.
Super shiny. How in the world is coming this shiny?
It like gets polished against the
Yeah,
tools.
it's the one way to polish, the
Yeah.
metal.
Should we do the 50 cal next?
Yeah, for sure.
Are we
But
going
now
to-
1 at a time.
Yeah, one at a time first. Okay, we have a comparison of pistol calibers. This is you, and this is the guy who she says that you shouldn't worry about. Okay.
Eyes and ears.
Didn't go.
Maybe there was something wrong with the ammunition.
Yeah, I think that the bullet is so large that the primer goes into the bullet, and then it's like, let's go have a look. I think it's like really thick coin. I think that the bullet was just too goddamn big. Primer is there somewhere. And because the surface area is so large that didn't go.
That's quite surprising.
Boring.
Hey, let's go put this laying down so we don't crush the bullet. We crush only the primer. Yeah, the reasoning behind this is the fact that we cannot crush the bullet. The bullet it takes too much of force, so we're going to leave that out. And then we were worried that where the bullet is going to fly. Now it's going to fly in the face of this. Let's hope that it flies. It would be so funny.
Let's see.
Yeah!
Bah! But
the guy didn't get hit.
yeah, the bullet went upwards.
Oh. So if you don't have barrel, then it's pretty hard to aim.
Yeah, and that's why you have the barrel.
Yeah.
Reason for the barrel, for the aiming.
It was like shotgun blast of gunpowder.
And the gunpowder have gone into it, so it's not on the surface.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like the world's scariest non-lethal. You get blasted with the gunpowder and then the 50 cal flies like over you.
Is there a hit on the wall?
We have to look from the high speed. There's quite many hits on the wall.
Oh yeah, true.
And you see it here. You cannot see. We can see it on the side camera quite well.
Yeah.
That was running also really fast. And there isn't like, I would say like 1/10 of the gunpowder went off.
Left, yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Most didn't ignite. Okay, we made some art. Do you, Hanna have a look?
Modern art.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh,
Do you wanna?
I'm so proud of you.
Modern art.
Fail.
Newer art.
Yeah. Let's try with the shotgun shells. I didn't order this. Okay, this looks safe.
Yeah, this is
Safety first.
Safety first.
important science.
Important safety science, I would say. If you be like accurate, this is not only science, this is safety science.
Yeah, safety science.
Okay, here it goes.
Oh.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, it kind of worked, and it wouldn't make any difference if we put more. They would
No, not
just
really.
fly out. Yeah, but hey, go check out our shooting videos. We have a couple on Beyond the Press channel. And then and if you wanna try some shooting,
Gunpoint Helsinki.
yeah.
There we are. And thanks for watching. And it was a very fun day in here with the Israel Express channel.
Yeah, this is one of the funniest videos, and it was way more interesting than I thought.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you, and have a nice day.